The long-awaited news is finally here. Why I Didn't Marry Lateef Adedimeji, actress BUKUNMI OLUSHINA opens up. Get yourself a seat for you to enjoy this amazing news. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel for more related news content like this. Nollywood actress BUKUNMI OLUSHINA has finally addressed the long-standing rumors about her relationship with actor Lateef Adedimeji and why they never ended up together. In a recent interview, BUKUNMI revealed that while she and Lateef share a strong bond and deep mutual respect, their relationship was never romantic in nature. She explained that their connection was built on friendship and professional collaboration, not romance. Lateef and I have always been close friends. We've worked together on several projects and share a deep understanding. But it was never about love or marriage, BUKUNMI stated. The actress further explained that she believes friendship should not always be mistaken for a romantic relationship. According to her, people often misinterpret the close ties between male and female colleagues in the entertainment industry. People see the chemistry we have on screen and assume there's something more. But sometimes, friendship is just friendship, and that's a beautiful thing too, she added. BUKUNMI also took the opportunity to celebrate Lateef's marriage to fellow actress Mo Bimpe, describing them as a perfect match. She wished them happiness and continued success in their careers. The actress concluded by emphasizing that her focus remains on her family and career, urging fans to respect boundaries and not jump to conclusions based on assumptions.